Welcome to TVCS Today. We have retrieved news on a newly active volcano. We are now showing the live video. And turn around and like spill it up.
Welcome to South Carolina, where we are showing you Mount Trinity. We are now speaking with the local who has witnessed the eruption.
Well, I was just standing on the mountain like this, okay, and all of a sudden I felt the shaking, and I was like, well, it's a mountain, what's going on? And then all of a sudden, this hot stuff started coming out of it, and I just ran. I ran for my life. Ain't nobody got time for that. And, well, that's all I know.
Volcanologist. Someone go meet the volcanologist.
Okay. We have concluded that this volcano, with the lava coming out of it, it had magma in the magma chamber, and the viscosity of the magma is really high. It is pahoehoe, made of pahoehoe, and it came out of the volcano pipe, and then it just spewed out of the vent, and it was in the crater. It was a quiet eruption. The volcano we thought was extinct, but it ended up being active, and it is a cinder cone volcano. We would now like to thank you for watching TVCS Today.
Okay, over here, a volcano exploded, but they said that it was extinct, but about 10 minutes ago, I guess. I mean, yeah, an explosion volcano just happened.
So who's next? Mitch
It's just.
It's Steve.
It's
After he's done covering
volcano
up,
got to be its
because we
thing.
gotta make it explode. Okay, press this. Move the photo!
Oh, there it is. It's gone.
Oh no, it's a volcano!
You did it from the wrong side!
No, you're on the wrong side. And it's gone. That sucked.
Compared to what I was thinking.
Oh no.
You should have got the damn.
Here comes the magma chamber and it's all bubbly.
Oh, that was cool though.
No, it seems to not be doing anything.
What do we have?
Wait, am I ever gonna get in?
I think so.
What do we do?
It's still bubbling. It's not really doing anything. Somebody shake it up. Shake it up. Dang it. That didn't work.
There has been a tragedy today. A dormant volcano has erupted and killed 20 people, and many people's houses have been destroyed by the lava flow. This was one explosive eruption. Now to you, Bob.
Thanks, John. I'm here in the Philippines.
where a cinder cone volcano has explosively erupted, sending pahoehoe all over the village of New Delhi. I'm here with Robert Hephaestus Vulcan, a volcanologist.
The magma that came from the magma chamber up the pipe and then through a small crater exploded, spraying a high viscosity lava all over the small, lovely Filipino village. Thanks, Bob.
Yeah. Now to Dawn with sports.
About 5 minutes ago, a volcano report came into us. About 5 minutes ago, the magma chamber broke at an unknown place. We believe it is an explosive eruption. Almost all the pipe is broken and the viscosity is very high. Almost all the houses are destroyed. Hopefully, the United States Army will come and save us all.
Oh, go.
Did you get it? Then now turn it to the song. Hello, my name was Sonic Fatty. I just got word that a Mount Volcano in Pompeii just blew up. Take it away, Matt. Thank you, the song. We are here live with the volcanologist, and it's at the hole that just Mount Vesuvius just exploded. Now, Zach, explain what happened to the volcano.
Today we experienced an active composite volcano. Lava spewed out of the pipe with very low viscosity. It starts in the magma chamber and runs out of some of the vents. The explosive eruption left a crater in the top of the mountain, and the place around it is covered in ash.
Thank you, Zach. Now, we're here live with the local witness that just experienced this mass eruption. So what is your name, witness?
Philip Barber.
So, Philip Barber, tell us, what were you doing when this eruption happened?
I just woke up. It's gonna give me a cold pop. I looked out my window. Oh my God! There's a volcano exploding. My mom was like, "That's Mount Vesuvius." I'm like, "Mount what?" She's like, "I don't know." People screaming, "Ah!" And I was like, "The rock?" She's like, "No." So I'm like, "Whatever."
Okay, so I think you need to go get some rest. Back to you, the song. Hello, my name is Sonic Fan, as the best baller ever. Click online.
That's it. Good night.
WF News Sarah, we're on your side.
Recently spotted a volcano eruption as we go to our reporter, Caitlin Holliday, for the details.
We are here in Cruz Bay, Cuba, observing this mountain, or volcano, as it becomes active once again. Now to our witness.
Did the volcano explode? It's red stuff come out of the volcano. And, oh, there it goes again! What's be the red stuff oozing from the volcano? Please tell me. I just be in my kitchen working and I'm fixing a fabulous feast, but the volcano explode, ruin everything, and I need a moment.
And now to our volcanologist, Charlie Huggins.
A cinder cone volcano explosively erupted with lava spewing rapidly from the magma chamber. As the magma came through the pipe, or through the vent, up the pipe to the crater with very thick viscosity.
We have any more comments to our witness?
I just want to know why the volcano erupts and why it I don't understand. I just be cooking and the volcano go boom boom. It's like the camera. Can you go in now?
Brought to you by Cheerios. Yum.